Car mechanic quiz. Quiz 1 to 5. 1. What does SI stand for measuring tire pressure? Pounds per square inch. 2. Which tool is used to measure the gap between spark plugs? Spark plug gap gauge. 3. What is the purpose of the alternator in a car? It charges the battery and provides electrical power to the vehicle. 4. What does the term horsepower refer to in the automotive world? It's a measure of an engine's power output. 5. What is the primary function of a car's transmission? To change gears and transfer power from the engine to the wheels. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe on this channel. John Repair Hacks.